Hey guys, I'm Sonika and in this video I'm gonna show you some of the best pictures that I have clicked during Ganesh Chaturthi. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
So guys, I hope you like the pictures that I have clicked during Ganesh Chaturthi. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which was your favorite photograph in my video, or just comment Ganpati Bappa, Morya. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. This is my previous video, Ganpati photography tips and tricks, where I show you how I went about clicking all these pictures. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye.